Hello everyone! We will see a hotspot that will demonstrate an example of natural selection of a specific type of bird, the finch. This species of Galapagos finch feeds on large seeds. In a year with plenty of rain, there are different sizes of seeds. So all finches can get enough food to have chicks. The chicks inherit their beak size from their parents. The male finch and female finch will mate. The nucleus of the sperm and the nucleus of the egg will fuse together. So chromosomes containing the genes will fuse as well. Those genes will be coded to make proteins that will give the characteristics to be inherited from the parents to their offsprings. Those small finch birds took the shape of their beaks from their parents. In dry years, the plants make bigger, harder seeds. Only the finches with big beaks can get enough food to have chicks. However, finches with the smaller beaks may starve before they have chicks. So, only finches that inherited big beaks from their parents could eat the big hard seeds. However, the finches that inherited small beaks could not eat the big hard seeds and will apparently die. So due to the change in conditions, the seed's quality changed, which allowed the selective advantage for the finches that have a big beak. However, those with a small beak decreased in number. The chicks will inherit their beak size from their parents. So as we said, there will be chicks with big beaks, but there will be no chicks with the smaller beaks. Since the ones with the big beaks survived, however those with the small beaks died. So, the next year, all the finches in the population will have big beaks.